Hi friends, I'm Miss Jennifer, and I'm so glad you're here with me for this very important We Grow Yoga class. Today's class is all about noticing our breath. We are going to use our breath to help us imagine. Let's begin by putting our hands on our belly and seeing if you can feel them moving when you take a big breath in and a big breath out. Can you feel your hands moving? Let's breathe in all together. And you can imagine that you are blowing up a very big balloon. What color is your balloon? Any color you like. Let's take a big breath in and a big breath out. Breathing in and breathing out. And breathing in and breathing out. Noticing our breath can help us be present. It can help us be right where we are. It can help us feel calm and relaxed. It can help us have extra energy when we need to. So we are going to notice our breath in all sorts of ways today. But most importantly, we're going to play. So are you ready to play with me? If you're ready, thumbs up. If you're ready to play, say yay! If you're ready to play, stomp your feet. Can we say hello to each other? Let's use some of that big, deep breath to sing hello to each other. Are you ready? Hi friends, hi friends, hi friends, hi. Hi friends, hi friends, hi friends, hi. Everybody cheer. I'm so glad you're here. Everybody cheer. I'm so glad you're here. Hi friends, hi friends, hi friends, hi. Hi friends, hi friends, hi friends, hi. Everybody cheer. I'm so glad you're here. Everybody cheer. I'm so glad you're here. That was beautiful singing. Let's try a bunny breath together. A bunny breath is an energizing breath. That means it gives us some extra energy because we're focusing on the inhale. We are focusing and putting our attention to our breath in. We're going to take 3 little sips of air in through our nose, and then we're going to blow it out through our mouth. Are you ready? Let's try it all together. Wow, that was very good. Do you feel a little bit of extra energy from that bunny breath? I sure do. Maybe we should try hopping like a bunny. Do you think you can do it? Let's put our little bunny paws on the ground and come up on our tippy toes. And if you'd like, maybe tip forward just a little, like a baby bunny learning to hop. And if you feel comfortable, maybe your back feet can come off the ground. Hop, hop, hop. Wow, that's good hopping. Can I see? Ooh, hop, hop. Ooh, that's fun. Hop. Maybe we can hop forwards a little. Hop, hop. How about backwards? Hop. Ah, hop. That's good hopping. try that with me? A honeybee breath is a humming breath. And a humming breath naturally helps us to relax because it lengthens our exhale. That means it takes a longer time to breathe out because we're humming. And that has a relaxing effect. It can reduce anxiety. It can help us sleep. So a humming breath is a very good breath to practice. Let's try it all together. Are you ready? Take a deep breath down into our bellies. And this time, we're going to make little circles with our body while we do a humming breath. You ready? Should we go the other way? Do you feel that buzzing on your lips? Just like a little honeybee? Let's try it this way. Let's make some wings. And we're going to tip from side to side while we buzz like a little bumblebee. Are you ready? You can go as far as you can. Do you feel like a little honeybee? What if we make little wings like this? And then we're gonna go, What if we hum a little higher? What a beautiful little honeybee song. I am a honeybee, I make honey. When I sing it sounds a little bit funny. Buzz, 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 buzz. I am a honeybee, I make honey. When I sing it sounds a little bit funny. Buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz. I'm a honeybee, I make honey. When I sing it sounds a little bit funny. Buzz, 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 buzz. I am a honeybee, I make honey. When I sing it sounds a little bit funny. Buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz. I'm a honeybee, I make honey. When I sing it sounds a little bit funny. Buzz, 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 buzz. Buzz, 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 buzz. That was beautiful imagining. Do you ever have extra energy? Or even a little bit of angry feelings? Or stressful feelings? That's natural. We all have those feelings. And a lion's breath is something we can use to help those feelings pass through us. It can help us release extra energy. It can help us release some of that anger or stress and leave us feeling relaxed. Let's try it together. Can you sit up on your knees just like this? Balance up on your knees. And show me your lion paws. Do you have lion paws? Ooh, yes. And we are going to roar like a lion all together. But we're going to do something a little bit silly. We're going to stick our tongue out as far as it will go while we roar. So it looks like this. Can you try that with me? Ready? Whoa, let's try that again. Big breath down into our bellies. That's good roaring. I feel more relaxed already. And we can try it in a tabletop position, like a lion. So we come like this and we round our back for a minute. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's try that again. Breathe in and breathe out. And now I feel peaceful, so I can come to my belly and rest in the sunshine, just like a lion. I'm a scaly, scaly snake, here's my voice. I'm a scaly, scaly snake, here's my voice. I'm a scaly, scaly snake, I'm a scaly, scaly snake. I'm a scaly, scaly snake, here's my voice. Can you hiss like a snake? Taking a deep breath down into our bellies. Let's make that hiss last for as long as we can. Are you ready? Wow, that was a long time. So a snake breath, a hissing breath, is another very relaxing breath because we're focusing on our exhale. Anytime you breathe out for longer than you breathe in, you're sending a message to your brain and your body that it's time to relax. And when we practice yoga, we often add a movement to our breath. So let's do that. We are going to breathe in and come up. And breathe out. Let's try that again. Breathing in and breathing out. Stretch your little snake tail very, very far behind you. Breathing in and breathing out. What could imagine? That really made me feel like a snake. Did you feel like a snake? So we can add movement to our breath to help us imagine. Let's try flying. Can you make some wings? Stretch them out as far as they'll go. And when we breathe in, we're going to bring them up. And breathe out, bring them down. Breathe in, bring them up. And breathe out, bring them down. What do you feel like? A lot of things fly. Do you feel like a bird? Breathing in, they go up. And breathing out, they go down. Should we go a little faster? Do you feel like a bird? Flying through the clouds. If you like, you could stand on one foot and maybe tip forward while you're breathing in and breathing out. And breathing in and breathing out. And then we put our foot down and we land on the earth for just a moment. And then we lift our other foot. And we can tip forward and fly through the clouds. Breathing in and breathing out. And breathing in and breathing out. Or maybe it's nighttime and we can be bats flying through the night sky. Should we try that? Oh, let's tip forward and fly towards the moon. Breathing in and out. Oh, what good bats flying through the night sky. And then we'll put our foot down and come to earth and tip forward on the other side. Oh, look at you, bats flying through the night sky. That's really good flying. And then we put our foot down. And you know, bats sleep during the day. They sleep upside down. Should we try to crouch down like this and come to our backs? Lie down for just a minute and put our little back feet in the air like we're hanging on a tree branch. And we can sleep here just like a little bat. When you breathe this way, do you feel your back moving against the ground? It's really fun to play with our breath in all sorts of ways, isn't it? What should we be next? Do you think we can use our breath and our bodies to imagine that we are dragons? What do dragons breathe? Fire. What color should our fire be? Let's try red. And let's send our dragon breath as far out as we can go. Are you ready? Breathing in. Wow. Let's try some blue fire. Are you ready? Here we go. I have an idea. Let's make our bodies into the shape of a dragon breathing fire. So we're going to bend our front knee and our back leg is going to be straight behind us. And we're going to lift our dragon wings and breathe out fire. And lift our dragon wings and breathe out fire. And one more. Let's do that on the other side. So we put our front leg forward, bending our knee. Our back leg is straight behind us. We lift our dragon wings, straightening our front leg, and again. And one more time. That was good imagining. Oh, that was a good one. Bubbles are a really fun way to play with our breath because when we blow out really slowly, we get more bubbles to come out of the wand. So if you have some bubbles, you can play with them. If you don't, that's okay. We can pretend. We can hold our little wand like this, and we're going to take a deep, deep breath down into our bellies, and we're going to blow slowly and long as we can to see if we can make some imaginary bubbles fly up to the sky. Are you ready? Deep breath in and blow. That was very good. Let's try again. Deep breath in and blow. This time, let's think of something that you would like to put inside of a bubble and let it float away. It could be a worry. It could be something that makes you feel a little bit sad. It can be anything that you would like to have float away. And we're going to blow a big bubble all together. And then you can put your worry into the bubble and watch it float away. And if you'd like, you could even roll onto your back. And imagine that there are bubbles floating all above you. And you can watch them float off into the sky. And if you have a little animal, you can put it on your belly. You can use any toy really, even a little blanket or a toy car or a doll or a small little pillow, anything that feels comfortable on your belly. And we are going to practice noticing that when we breathe in, our little toy goes up, and when we breathe out, it goes down. And we breathe in, it goes up, and we breathe out, it goes down. Breathing in, it goes up, and breathing out, it falls down. And you can stay here as long as you like. Just breathing in and out, feeling the rise and the fall of your breath. And when you're ready, you can roll to your side and push yourself up to safety, bringing your little friend with you. You can take a big breath in to the sun and breathing out, hands to heart, and breathing in to the sun and breathing out, hands to heart. Before we go, I have a very special instrument to show you. This is called a harmonium, and it's very special because it needs to breathe in order to make its music, just like we need to breathe in order to sing. This part right here, these are called the bellows, and when I pump them, the harmonium gets air. They're like the lungs of a harmonium. And so just like us, it takes in air, and then when I press these keys, it can sing just like us. Do you want to try humming with the harmonium? Let's try. Thank you for practicing with me today. I'll see you next time.